After 200,000 miles, I cracked my rear passenger taillight, so I'm taking that out and I'm replacing it. So I removed the two 10mm bolts, and now I'm using some pliers to take out the electrical connection that connects this light element to the Tacoma. I'm also pulling out the bulbs. I'm going to hang those up on my wall in my garage so that I can reuse those bulbs should the bulbs in the new one burn out. Waste not, want not, as they say. So that is the first step of this process, taking off the old part and getting ready to put the new part on. So this is the new part, nice and shiny. Now, if you're not like a farmer or just using your truck for work, care about how it looks, you probably want to buy both new lights. Or if you're preparing it to sell, one's cracked, just get two new ones, then they're going to match and just look better. But if the looks don't matter, just buy one. A link to this product is in the description below from my Amazon affiliate page. Okay, so this has its own wiring harness. It's going to be pretty plug and play. We just got to disconnect the old one and reconnect the new one. So that's what we are doing here. It's a little dirty. This dirt gets in there, but the inside's clean, which is what matters. We just need it clean and dry on the inside. So there's an old harness, and we'll salvage those bulbs for future lighting needs. Okay, now we're just going to plug this connector in. Nice and snug. Okay, now we're ready to put our lighting element into position and then bolt it in place. And of course, before we do that, we're going to test it. So we just pop on our flashers, make sure that's good to go. And if you're by yourself, you can put your phone camera on a tripod and then record a video of the light while you press the brakes and then turn on the running lights, which is what I'm doing here. And if the light falls off, you're going to have to do it a couple times. Alright, so now we're going to pump those brakes. 1, 2, 3. We can see that working. And then we will pump our brakes again. 1, 2, 3. We see that working. This light is good to go. Time to bolt it back in, and hopefully we get another 200,000 miles out of this new one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.